follow Europe's lead.
Is crazy. Look at the video we just got in from a viewer. Strong winds and rain up in Ocala. In fact, you can see the winds circling around a man, so they're having a good time, it sounds like. But look at that tree. That's nuts.
That is wild.
The man says he thinks it was like a tornado, but Brooks, sorry, he's here to take a look at what we're looking at.
Yeah, doesn't it look like a tornado kind of, Brooks, there?
It has that look, and not to trivialize the video because it's very scary when you're in the midst of it, but straight line wind damage can oftentimes resemble that of tornado damage. Things swirl around when wind hits a solid object. It can make a little eddy effect. So the question is, though, based on this video, was this a tornado or was this straight line wind from a microburst or a downburst? Well, one of the clues I always look for is the direction of the trees. Specifically, do they change direction? And you'll notice in this video, this tree, which looks like it's about to topple over in this crazy video, is going essentially in the same direction, leaning over to the right the entire time. I've been in the midst of a very close tornado event. It was a water spout, and one observable I noticed is the trees start in one direction as this thing's approaching, and then they whip over to the other direction. In this case, the trees maintain this same direction, going to the right. If it was a tornado and it was that direction, you'd see the trees leaning over away from the camera and then whipping back over. So, the damage could easily resemble a weak tornado when you're looking at wind gusts like this, which are clearly well over 60 miles an hour and a severe thunderstorm. But it's impossible to determine whether or not it was a tornado. I'd say just by looking at this, it probably was not. But it's a reminder that you don't need a tornado to really cause some problems. And going to the big picture right now, we can see wind